Hey everyone, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on the scientific method and drawing conclusions from it. This question was taken from the November 2016 DBE exam. So let's jump in. So the graph below shows the relationship between the production of growth hormone and age. So our independent variable age in years on the x-axis and our dependent variable, the amount of growth hormone secreted in micrograms on the y-axis, and that goes from 0 up to 2000, and our age is 10 to 90. A general conclusion that can be drawn from the results is that A, growth hormone is not secreted over the age of 50. B, the amount of growth hormone secreted decreases with age. C, the amount of growth hormone secreted increases with age. Or D, the amount of growth hormone secreted remains stable over time. So let's look back at our graph, and we can see that as we get older, the amount of growth hormone actually tends to decrease. So it's not increase. If it was increasing, we'd expect a curve like that. It's not stable. If it was stable, we'd expect a curve that was like that. So what we can clearly take from this is that growth hormone decreases the older we get. So the final option or final answer is B. The amount of growth hormone secreted decreases with age. And that's it. But before I go, don't forget you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just like this. But for more epic videos, check out our website, which you'll find in the description down below. Also, just a shout out to our sponsor. All their details can be found down below as well. Until next time, stay epic.